It is Monday. Unfortunately, I haven't vlogged at school in a hot minute. What time is it? 5:57. Oh my gosh. I've taken 10 minutes just to do concealer. No. Not excited for PE today because we are doing soccer. My team is terrible. Last class, I kicked the ball so hard it broke my toenail. I really wish that I could bring my phone and show you guys my soccer skills. Oh my gosh, it is 6. I hear my dog. Susie. Hey buddy. Thumbnail. I want to wear jeans, but I don't know, I have to change into shorts for PE. Have I shaved? But like, I don't really want to wear jeans. I want to wear jeans. If you can't tell, I'm sick, so that's also fun. I don't know why I started vlogging just now. I don't really have anything else to say. It's fine. It's really fine. It does look stupid. Much better.
I want to tap in the characters from here.
You want to look like me, just like me?
Yeah. Wow.
I'm supposed to go upstairs in 1 minute. It's not going to work out too well. I like that song.
Cool.
I'm vlogging today.
Oh gosh, hi.
Hey! I'm Abby's #1 fan. I've watched every single vlog. I know every single word she said. You know every single word. No, I don't. I was just
That's not okay.
Oh, hi vlog. Me, I'm back.
He's vlogging.
Welcome back to my channel. Did we learn that?
Our judges were really mean to us, and so we ended up losing. That was kind of disappointing.
Her and then Abby.
On Saturday I had basketball, and then that was pretty much all I did. Reagan. Friday I went to the lacrosse game. I didn't do co-dominance. Is that when it mixes?
No!
Alright, who made one thing? That's a good question. I actually don't know the answer to that one. But it could be. It would make sense. That's kind of what you have, Reagan.
I didn't have anything else. I wasn't sure.
Okay.
I think she called me because I grabbed my phone.
Alright.
I don't.
What we're gonna do next? Absolutely. So things will be done. Alright. Thing with our example.
There's no such thing as a stupid question.
Alright. Is going to be to investigate and to make sure you really understand these antigens and these antibodies. Alright, go ahead.
Stop it.
Marlon.
What? We're so awkward. Okay, let me say something.
Okay.
Okay, so I just took two quizzes in English, and one was on something that I didn't read, and then I took a Membian quiz, and I got a 73. So now I have an 83 in the class, and this is all I have on my marketing project. It's called Trash Can, and this is all I have. It's a blank sheet of paper. And then for speech, I have to memorize this, and I haven't done it.
For Wednesday, I haven't even written my speech.
Wow.
You have a lot.
Let me see. Wow. I'm impressed. Wow.
How long does it have to be?
Read it. 60% 5 minutes.
All human communication is
So the time
I'm jealous.
I took my phone up, so this is all we're getting.
Hi, Abby Grace's vlog.
Blah, blah, blah. Or according to, I got to judge 3 different speeches. One was called extemporaneous, and this is, you're gonna like, I know, extemporaneous, but 7 minutes long.
So they're making us look stupid.
No, I'm just throwing it out there as what,
we have a week
what
and
some
samples
people
and
were.
minutes, 30 seconds.
Okay. Questions, yes, kid did his on. I mean, he should have been on Broadway. That's how good he was at it. One of the characters was
Elena! Stop, I'm self-conscious. It's eczema, okay? I've been scratching my legs.
We're walking home now.
Do you mind blurring out my face?
That's too much work.
And Yeah.
Today was
It was actually really
a
good.
mediocre day.
I
couldn't vlog in Spanish with her because I just made their freaking phones up.
That was a little
I stopped vlogging in speech, which is my last period that you just saw, because she got mad at me for talking while she was talking. She literally told us to start doing our work and then got mad at me for talking when she was talking, but she wasn't. And I was like, okay.